Hello beautiful people, welcome to Reassembling. In this video we are going to replace Samsung A12s speaker. I hope that by watching this video you can easily replace your Android and Samsung speaker. So don't skip any second of this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us. So beautiful audience, you can see here is our Samsung RS. After check this phone volume, you can see it's not work properly. Now we are going to replace this phone speaker. So beautiful audience, first of all we are going to use heat gun to open this phone back part. So you can see we already opened our phone back first. So now we are going to open all the screws that connected to our speaker. So take a look carefully which screw we are open here. Beautiful audience, you can see here is our speaker. Now we are going to clean this speaker guard because there is so many dust you can see. Also you can use some alcohol to clean this speaker guard. It will really helpful. Now we are going to add our new speaker. Also we are using some glue that can adjust this speaker perfectly. After add our new speaker, we are going to check this speaker. If it's work properly, then we will continue our work. So guys, our checking complete, it's worked properly. Now we are going to continue our work. Here we are going to use a glue that called B7000. It will adjust our back part perfectly. So beautiful audience, our speaker replacement complete here. I hope that this video will be really helpful for you as you are a beginner. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you had any kind of problem with your phone or phone settings, just drop a comment in comment section. Also, you can mail us. Here is our mail. That's all for today. Cheerio.